audio cameras are a powerful tool in modern home security systems. They not only allow you to listen to what's happening at your property, but also enable you to communicate back in real time. Whether you're speaking with a delivery driver, checking in on your kids, or calming your pets, two-way audio cameras let you interact remotely and directly. But what if your system doesn't support two-way audio? Sure, you could buy another camera with this feature, but there's an easier, cost-effective solution. You can turn your PC or laptop into an NVR and use it to add a speaker to your setup. This way, you can use your existing camera system with speakers and enjoy two-way audio functionality without purchasing new hardware. You can find a full tutorial on setting up a camera system with your PC in the description below. Let's move on to the configuration options for your audio output device. First, click the plus button next to the Audio Out submenu. Here are the key settings you'll need to configure. Restart on failure. This setting determines how the system responds to errors. Audio device. In this field, select the audio output device you want to use. Depending on your setup, you might see multiple options for audio output devices. Now that your audio device is set up, let's test it to make sure it works correctly. To do this, create a task to play a sound. Click Play Audio under the Actions menu. You can add multiple audio files, which is useful if you want different sounds for different situations. Once everything is set up, manually execute the Play Audio task by clicking the Execute Task icon. Now, let's configure the system to emulate dog barking in your absence when motion is detected. This is a straightforward setup that can be a simple security solution for your home. First, we'll configure the barking sound to play when motion is detected. We'll set the continuous calendar to apply the rule whenever this happens.
1.
Select the necessary task as the event source.
2.
Set the continuous calendar to apply the rule whenever motion is detected.
3.
Choose the sound.
4.
Enable the rule. 5. Walk in front of the camera to test the setup. Next, let's set the dog to bark once every half hour to simulate presence in the house. This rule doesn't require an event source, just the schedule and action.
1.
Set up the calendar to be discrete, meaning the action will happen precisely at 0 and 30 minutes of every hour.
2.
Select every hour by clicking the number in the top row. To avoid disturbing the neighbors, we'll remove the barking sound during nighttime hours.
3.
Choose the sound.
4.
Enable the rule.
5. Wait.
And that's it. Now you know how to enable two-way audio with your existing camera system and simulate dog barking or sirens when someone approaches your door. While it doesn't allow for real-time communication, it does let you play pre-recorded sounds. But let's be honest, you're probably not planning to deliver monologues through your camera's speakers. What you really need in most cases is a simple audio reaction to certain events. Enjoy your vacation, and rest assured knowing your home is secure. Give Banalytics a try with your cameras. Yes, even your laptop's built-in camera.